I am Dr. Laney Knowlton, President of the Society for the Advancement of Sexual Health, otherwise known as SASH. We've recently had an update in our leadership, and we'd like to share some of the changes that we've made over the last several months with you. First of all, we have a new organizational structure. We've updated our website, and I'll walk you through each of the things that's listed under that on the slide on the screen. We also have a new membership platform that we're moving everyone to, and we have a new credentialing structure, and we're announcing the location and the dates for our 2025 annual conference. First of all, I want to thank our Tiger team. Our Tiger team is our strategic planning committee, and they have worked tirelessly with us over the last several months to be able to come up with these updates, to be able to help honor the history that's come before. SASH was originally started, the organization that became SASH was originally started in 1987. The name got changed about 20 years ago to the Society for the Advancement of Sexual Health. It was originally the National Council on Sex Addiction, and the name was changed in the early 2000s to the Society for the Advancement of Sexual Health. Our Tiger team has helped us to be able to honor the work of those who have gone before us, while also being able to expand and incorporate updated information. Currently, our SASH board does have some openings available. We'd love to have you join us if you're interested in it. You can contact us, and I have the contact information on one of the slides later on in this presentation. We also have employees and contractors. Gina Kay is the executive director. Kerrigan Spangler is the executive assistant. If you're interested in being our events coordinator or working with us to be able to get grants, we'd love to be able to work with you. Let us know. Our committees, we have 5 of them. So one of them is the ethics committee, and we do have a chair. We will announce that later. We also have the education committee, and there are members that will be announced later to that as well. We're looking for people for our conference committee and our membership committee. We have a resources committee and our journal editor. We do have a scholarly journal that's connected to the Society for the Advancement of Sexual Health. And we also will have a podcast and a blog that's updated regularly. And we have a social media coordinator. So if you'd like to follow us on social media, we have those links later on in this presentation. Our website is sash.net. We've recently updated it to make it much easier to navigate. We've worked to be able to add the new features that we will talk about in just a minute. So check us out, sash.net. Our mission statement has been updated. Our current mission statement is SASH is the bridge connecting sexual and relational health professionals with evidence-based information, education, and research in order to promote community dialogue, reduce stigma, and build a world that celebrates diverse sexualities and authentic intimacy so that everyone can experience freedom, fulfillment, and pleasure. We've also updated our vision statement. Our current vision statement is SASH envisions a world where sexual and relational health professionals are united, empowered, and equipped to transform lives, advancing the understanding that sexuality is a vital part of being human and everyone deserves to experience sexual health. Our current goals, we have 5 of them. One is to promote access. We would like to promote access to information and to resources. We'd like to support sexual and relational health while addressing challenges that prevent people from being able to experience sexual and relational health. We want to support and share research advancements, specifically to improve practices related to sexual and relational health. We really would like to be able to foster meaningful dialogue. We see SASH as the bridge that connects the various aspects of the field of sexual health, and we'd love to have the conversations to be able to bring pieces from each of those different facets of the field of sexual health together. We would like to provide diverse educational opportunities, and we'd like to encourage awareness and inclusivity. In order for this to be applicable to everyone, we have to make sure that it actually applies to everyone, meaning the work that we're doing, the tools that we develop. We've also come up with a revised definition of sexual health. Sexual health is a state of physical, emotional, mental, and social well-being in relation to sexuality. It involves a positive and respectful approach to sexual connection, both with oneself and others, emphasizing the ability to experience pleasure and safety, free from coercion, discrimination, and violence. Sexual health encompasses access to accurate information, inclusive care, and the resources needed to make informed, autonomous decisions about sexual activities and reproductive health. It recognizes sexual rights for individuals of all genders, cultural backgrounds, orientations, and relationship statuses, and embraces the individual and relational aspects of well-being. Healthy sexual behaviors align with personal values, honor commitments, foster growth, authenticity, and respect. They support personal and relational health by promoting safety, congruence with one's values, and meaningful connection. Now, we also want to make sure, and this is at the bottom of the revised definition of sexual health, that we address healing, that we are able to give people tools to process through past experiences, create safety, and rebuild a relationship with themselves and with others in a way that is congruent with them. Our key focus areas as an organization are on sexual health, relational health, trauma and behavioral health, education and advocacy, and cultural inclusivity. Our community, and this is in alphabetical order, includes advocates, coaches, counselors, educators, healthcare providers, researchers, and therapists. Basically, anyone connected to the field of sexual or relational health. We are a global network, so it's available to people worldwide. We have two different membership tiers. One is professional and one is for a student. We don't have premier memberships or organizational memberships anymore. Our membership benefits include access to the online SASH community, and that's through a platform called Mighty Networks. And Mighty Networks helps us to be able to communicate with each other, to have active conversations. I was born in the 70s, so I grew up in the 80s and 90s. And to me, early 20s was chat rooms. So this is sort of like a really advanced chat room that lets you have communication and conversations and to be able to participate those at times when you're able to log into it. It's an app you can download to your phone. And we have monthly membership meetups that we're having. I think it is the second Friday, third Friday of each month at noon. We'll have to go double check that. But we'd love to have you join us to be able to be part of those conversations. We'll also have access for members will have access to the live event recordings. And as part of our membership, you get free access to the Journal of Sexual Health and Compulsivity. We have virtual events, like I said, the monthly member meetup, and we also have roundtables. There's a $100 discount on our annual conference, and there's if you're a member, you're listed in the professional membership directory. Additionally, for anyone, even those who aren't members, we have a weekly podcast that will be starting soon. We have live events and webinars, we have blogs or a blog, and we have social media posts. So check those out, whether or not you're a member of SASH. We do have sponsorships available. Let us know if you're interested in sponsoring SASH. And we do make sure that all of our sponsorships are subject to review and approval by the ethics committee. I talked a little bit about the Mighty Network platform. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions about it. It really is an awesome place to be able to connect and to get to know other people in your area and other people across the globe, to be able to have the conversations that we've talked about. Our new credentialing structure, we're having this revisited. This will be announced soon, so keep checking back for updates. We'd love to share it with you. Our 2025 conference will be in Austin, Texas. It's at the end of October, the very last full weekend in October. And we'd love to have you join us for that. Additionally, we are incorporating something called racial awareness reassessment. This concept was introduced by Dr. James Wadley in his keynote presentation at our conference last October. And it is similar to a sexual awareness reassessment, or SAR. So it's a structured experiential training, and it's designed to help you to be able to cultivate non-judgmental and an affirming approach when working with clients, students, or colleagues from diverse racial and cultural backgrounds. This is one of the steps that we're taking to make sure that we're including diverse populations and that the tools that we're applying apply to everyone across the globe. We're partnering with Dr. Ann Morrow. She will be teaching that. So if this is something that you might be interested in, how can you be part of this? First of all, we'd love to have you either join us as a new member or renew your membership. And you can go to sash.net for the membership button. I'll also include it in the comments below. You could sponsor SASH. Contact us for more information if you're interested in becoming a sponsor for the organization. You can volunteer or connect us to others who might be interested. Again, we're really looking for people as part of our conference committee and our membership committees, and we have other availability as well. Either way, you can like us, follow us on social media, like our posts, share them. We'd love to be able to connect to folks of all different backgrounds and all different fields of sexual and relational health. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, thoughts, or comments, please feel free to email us. You can email admin@sash.net. You can email me directly at president@sash.net. And you can email Gina Kay, who's the executive director, at executivedirector@sash.net. We'd love to have you join us. Check out our website at sash.net, and we'll talk to you later.